Ever wondered how technology can make your life easier, more efficient, and maybe even a little more fun? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because in this video, we're diving headfirst into a pool of 15 incredible inventions that are about to revolutionize the way you live, work, and play. We're talking about gadgets and gizmos that sound like they're straight out of a science fiction movie, but are actually here in the real world. From transforming transportation to smartening up your home and even purifying the very air you breathe, these inventions are poised to upgrade your world in ways you never thought possible. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to have your mind blown wide open because things are about to get seriously awesome. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about what the future holds, this video is your ticket to a world of innovation and excitement. Let's get this show on the road. First up, we're tackling the daily commute with an invention that's about to make your morning commute the envy of every driver stuck in traffic. Say goodbye to crowded buses and hello to the future of personal transportation, the electric foldable scooter. This isn't your grandma's scooter, folks. We're talking about a sleek, stylish, and surprisingly powerful machine that can zip you through the urban jungle with ease. Imagine this, you're running late for work, but instead of stressing out, you whip out your foldable electric scooter, unfold it in seconds, and cruise past the gridlock with a smile on your face. But wait, there's more. Once you arrive at your destination, this bad boy folds up neatly, making it a breeze to carry onto public transportation or store under your desk. No more bulky bikes or searching for that elusive parking spot. The electric foldable scooter is all about convenience, efficiency, and a touch of futuristic flair. It's the perfect solution for navigating crowded cities, running errands, or just enjoying a leisurely ride in the park. Next up, we're stepping into the future of home automation with a gadget that's about to make your house the envy of every tech enthusiast on the block. Get ready to meet your new best friend, the smart home assistant. Imagine this. You walk through the door after a long day, and your smart home assistant greets you by name, adjusts the lighting to your preferred ambiance, and even starts brewing your favorite cup of coffee. Sound like a dream? Well, wake up, Buttercup, because the future is here. But the smart home assistant is more than just a fancy, voice-activated remote control. It's the brains of your entire home, connecting all your smart devices and appliances into one seamless ecosystem. Control your thermostat, monitor your security cameras, and even preheat your oven, all with the power of your voice. The smart home assistant is all about making your life easier, more comfortable, and dare we say, a little bit more luxurious. It's the ultimate upgrade for anyone who wants to experience the magic of a truly connected home. Alright guys, let's talk about something essential for life itself. Clean drinking water. Imagine accessing purified water anywhere without electricity. This solar-powered purifier is a game changer. It uses the sun to eliminate harmful bacteria and contaminants. Perfect for camping, emergencies, or areas with limited infrastructure. Incredibly easy to use. Fill it, leave it in the sun, and get pure, safe drinking water. Sustainable, practical, and potentially life-saving. We all know the importance of clean air, but did you know that indoor air can often be more polluted than the air outside? That's why I'm pumped to tell you about this next gadget, the portable air purifier. This compact device is about to become your new best friend, especially if you value clean, fresh air. Imagine creating a bubble of fresh air wherever you go. It filters out dust mites, pollen, pet dander, and even airborne viruses. Perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or travel. It's like having your own personal force field against pollutants. Just plug it in, turn it on, and let it work its magic. It's so quiet you'll barely notice it's there. Plus, it's energy efficient. This thing is a breath of fresh air, literally. Get ready to have your minds blown, because we're about to step into the future with this next invention: augmented reality glasses. Now, forget clunky VR headsets that take you out of the real world. These sleek glasses seamlessly blend the digital and physical worlds right before your eyes. Imagine making a video call where you can actually see 3D holographic images of your friends and family right in your living room, or picture walking through a museum and having historical figures come to life sharing their stories with you directly. These glasses make it possible. But it's not just about entertainment. These glasses can revolutionize the way we work, learn, and even get around. Picture following holographic directions that guide you through a new city, or collaborating on a 3D model with colleagues across the globe, all while feeling like you're in the same room. The possibilities are limitless. This, my friends, is the power of augmented reality. It's not just about escaping reality, it's about enhancing it, expanding it, and interacting with it in ways we never thought possible. Alright, gadget gurus, buckle up because number 6 on our list is going to blow your minds. Remember those hoverboards everyone thought were just a fad? Well, they're back. And this ain't your little cousin's ride on tour. This bad boy is the all-terrain hoverboard, and it laughs in the face of uneven surfaces. We're talking dirt trails, grassy hills, even bumpy gravel roads. This thing eats it all for breakfast. It's like the monster truck of hoverboards, but with way more style. The secret sauce is in the wheels, or lack thereof. This hoverboard uses some seriously next-level magnetic technology to float above the ground. And get this, it's self-balancing. So even if your balance is as bad as a giraffe on roller skates, you'll be cruising in style in no time. Whether you're looking for a new way to explore the great outdoors, or just want to turn heads on your daily commute, this all-terrain hoverboard is a total game changer. Trust me, you're going to want to get your hands on this one. At number 7, we're talking home security, but not the kind your grandpa used to ramble on about. Forget about those clunky old keys, because the future of keeping your humble abode safe is here, and it's all about biometrics, baby. This is a home lock system straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine this. You walk up to your front door, groceries in hand, and boom, the door just unlocks. No fumbling for keys, no awkward juggling act, just pure futuristic convenience. How does it work, you ask? Well, this system uses your unique biometric data, like your fingerprint or even your iris, to verify your identity and grant you access. It's like having a high-tech bouncer for your front door, but one that actually recognizes you. So if you're tired of losing your keys, or just want to add an extra layer of Fort Knox level security to your home, this biometric home lock system is the real deal. Alright, budget-conscious techies, this one's for you. Coming in at number 8, we have a gadget that proves you don't need to break the bank to get in on the smartwatch action. Get ready for the budget-friendly smartwatch that's about to rock your world. Now, you might be thinking, a cheap smartwatch? Sounds too good to be true. But hold on, because this little guy is packed with features that'll make you ditch your old wristwatch faster than you can say, Siri, what time is it? We're talking fitness tracking, sleep monitoring, notifications, even voice control, all the bells and whistles you need to stay connected and on top of your game without emptying your wallet. Plus, it comes in a bunch of cool colors and designs so you can find the perfect match for your style. So if you've been eyeing those expensive smartwatches but couldn't justify the price tag, your search is over. This budget-friendly smartwatch is proof that you can have your tech and afford it too. Alright, let's talk education. Remember those clunky old school computers we used to have? This isn't your grandma's learning tool. It's an interactive learning tablet. Imagine a tablet with interactive games, educational apps, and a library's worth of books. It's designed to make learning fun and engaging for kids. A digital playground where kids can explore and learn at their own pace, and adults can level up their skills or learn a new language. This tablet makes learning enjoyable for everyone, no matter your age. Okay, movie buffs and binge watchers, this one's for you. Remember those clunky old projectors from school? This isn't your history teacher's projector. It's a compact, portable powerhouse that fits in your backpack. We're talking movie nights on the go, epic gaming sessions with friends, and presentations that really pack a punch. Imagine this. You're camping under the stars and boom, instant outdoor cinema. Or you're at a friend's house ready for a gaming marathon, and bam, the ultimate gaming setup appears. This projector is so compact and lightweight you can take it anywhere, making any surface a screen. And don't let the size fool you, this thing is packed with features. We're talking crystal clear image quality, booming sound, and enough ports to connect all your devices. You can stream movies, play games, even give presentations, all with the same incredible quality. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. No more fumbling with cords or complicated setups. This projector is all about simplicity and convenience. So so you can spend less time fiddling with tech and more time enjoying your favorite entertainment. All right, everyone, it's time to take to the skies and see the world from a whole new perspective with this professional-grade drone camera. This isn't your average toy drone. We're talking next-level aerial photography and videography that'll blow your mind. Imagine soaring above breathtaking landscapes, capturing stunning aerial shots that'll make your friends think you're a pro photographer. This drone is equipped with a high-definition camera that captures every detail, from the vibrant colors of a sunset to the intricate textures of a mountain range. But it's not just about pretty pictures. This drone is packed with features that make it perfect for professional use too. We're talking about things like image stabilization to keep your footage buttery smooth, intelligent flight modes for capturing those epic cinematic shots, and a battery life that'll have you flying high for longer. Whether you're a professional photographer, a filmmaker looking for the perfect aerial shot, or just someone who wants to capture their adventures from a unique perspective, this drone is the ultimate tool for taking your creativity to new heights. All right, let's talk about something we can all relate to, wanting to be healthier. But who wants to carry around a clunky fitness tracker? Not me. That's where this IoT fitness tracker comes in. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's smarter than your average wearable. This thing doesn't just track your steps and heart rate, it takes it to a whole new level. We're talking about connecting to your other smart devices. Imagine this. Your fitness tracker tells your smart coffee maker to brew you a healthy smoothie after you've crushed your morning workout. The possibilities are endless. And because it's IoT enabled, the data from this tracker can be shared with your doctor or trainer, giving them real-time insights into your progress. Talk about accountability. This isn't just a fitness tracker. It's like having a personal health coach right there on your list. But wait, there's more. This IoT fitness tracker also doubles as a sleep tracker, monitoring your sleep quality and providing personalized recommendations for better rest. Because let's be honest, a good night's sleep is just as important as a good workout. Let's be honest, good lighting can make or break a room, but who wants to deal with a bazillion switches and dimmers? That's why I'm so excited about this designer LED smart lamp. It's like the Tesla of lighting, sleek, modern, and packed with features. This lamp isn't just about looking good, though it definitely does that. It's about smart technology that integrates seamlessly into your life. Imagine this, you're watching a movie, and the lamp automatically dims to create the perfect ambience. That's the kind of next-level thinking we're talking about here. And because it's LED, you're saving energy and money on your electricity bill. Plus, you can customize the color, temperature, and brightness to perfectly match your mood or activity. Whether you're reading a book or hosting a party, this lamp has got you covered. But here's the real kicker. This smart lamp can be controlled with your voice or a simple app on your smartphone. You can even set schedules and timers, so you never have to worry about leaving the lights on again. Talk about convenient. Have you ever walked into a room and wished you could instantly change the vibe? Like, maybe you're trying to focus on work, but the lighting is all wrong. Well, get ready to meet your new best friend, the customizable mood light. This isn't just some ordinary lamp. This bad boy lets you fine-tune the color and brightness to match your exact mood. Whether you want a calming blue for a relaxing evening or an energizing yellow for a productive workday, this light has got you covered. And the best part? Most of these mood lights come with a companion app, so you can control everything right from your phone. You can even create custom lighting schedules. Imagine this. You walk in the door after a long day and boom, your preset relaxing scene kicks in. It's like having a superpower to control the ambiance of any room. No more settling for May lighting. With a customizable mood light, you're the boss. Alright, let's talk about the future, people. And no, I'm not talking about flying cars, though that would be cool. I'm talking about a game changer in the world of convenience, the wireless charging desk. Picture this. You're hard at work, but your phone's about to die. Normally, you'd be scrambling for a charger, untangling wires, the whole shebang, but not anymore. With a wireless charging desk, you simply plop your phone down on the designated spot, and bam, it starts charging like magic. No more messy cables, no more hunting for outlets. It's like your desk just got a whole lot smarter. But wait, there's more. Many of these desks come with built-in USB ports and even wireless charging pads for your other devices like your smartwatch or earbuds. This is a peak organization, people. You can keep your workspace clutter-free and always stay powered up. The future is wireless, and the future is now. So there you have it, folks. 15 mind-blowing inventions that are about to change the game. From self-folding scooters to desks that charge your phone wirelessly, the future is looking pretty awesome. Which invention blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep those brains sparking and stay curious.